Hi everybody, welcome back to another video training series from the Great Wall of China. My name is Alex Ryan. Today's video is all about services that we offer when it comes down to not only going to China but also visiting fairs like the Canton Fair or the Yiwu wholesale market. If this is something that you're interested in, let us know. We occasionally look after clients who want to go to the Canton Fair, who need to be toured around, who need factory appointments set up, who need a translator or a guide, or maybe even someone to help with the actual bargaining process, so the actual negotiating process, because China is one big negotiation. And especially when you're sitting down with a supplier, you've got to make sure that you not only get the best price, but you also get the best trading terms. So if this is something you're interested in, do contact us. If you're looking for a sourcing agent, this is something that we can definitely also help you with as well. We've got a lot of good contacts that we've built up over the years, so do contact us about this as well. My name's Alex, and I'll talk to you real soon.